You buy your tools new or used when you're welding and installing. I would say most definitely buy your tools used, because think about it. Majority of the jobs that you get on, 9, 10 out of 10, you're gonna damage your tool or scuff it up. So you don't want to get all in your feelings and cause, attitude issues, mood swings for you getting a tool messed up. So buy it used, man. I mean, you can go to these thrift stores, pawn shops, flea markets, yard sales or whatnot, or find someone who got actually what you're looking for sale and buy it from them. But don't procrastinate on your development and getting your business off the ground or getting yourself started good because you want to save up enough money to buy everything new, when in reality that's not a real smart thing to do, because things happen in the field. So even though your tools are an asset, they also can become a liability. So get things that works good, get things that you can actually get the job done without spending bukus of money, because at the end of the day, it's about making money, not about spending money. Hold on.